Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the coveted Stanley Love Shack Fancy collaboration for the Holiday 2024 relaunch. Now, Stanley and Love Shack Fancy released their first collaboration over the summer of 2024, and it was an absolute hit. So they actually paired up together again to make this new collection of two colorways, a pink and a blue, in Love Shack Fancy's signature print, the Rosa Beaux. Now, I believe this collaboration released on November 12th, 2024, around noontime, and they were sold out within probably 5 minutes. I will say it was one of the most frustrating experiences possible because you would enter the online queue and you would have a kind of timer counting down how long you had left in line, and it would keep getting to like 3 minutes or 1 minute, and then say it was about to let you in, and then it would restart your queue line and you would be back at like 35, and then all of a sudden it was sold out. So keep that in mind that these were kind of a frustrating drop. So luckily I was able to get my hands on one of the pink ones, the larger pink one, and we're going to take a look at it today. Now, this is the 40-ounce quencher, so it can keep things cold for up to 11 hours. It can keep ice for 2 days. I would imagine that's without any water in there. Or it can keep things hot up to 7 hours. Now, I personally love the Love Shack Fancy collaborations. I just think they're so lush, they're luxury, and they're just happy. I think the presentation is by far my favorite across all of the collaborations as well. I have seen some from Barbie and from just the plain Stanleys, and these just always have like an extra little detail. So with the previous launch, they had kind of a velour bag, and in this one we have a beautiful pink silk bag. Now I wonder if the blue would have a blue bag, but someone will have to let us know in the comments below. Now, getting a first look at our collab quencher, I think it's just as beautiful as I was anticipating. Of course, I have seen some other promo photos and whatnot of the collection, but in different lighting across the different promo photos, I couldn't fully tell how pink or how white it was going to be. And the same goes for the blue. Now, that's actually exactly why we created the Fashion Try-On, because brands usually edit their photos and we just want to see the real thing before we purchase. Now, taking a look at the bottom, of course, that little circle on the bottom there, that is the lead pellet that has had some controversy. So if you are concerned about that, keep that in mind and always make sure that your circle on the bottom is intact. If it's ever damaged, reach out to the brand and they will replace it. I don't know if they'll do the same on these collaborations because they probably don't have any more inventory, but they should at least give you a replacement. Now, inside the cup comes a few pamphlets. One is instructions and the other I think is just kind of disclaimers, but I kind of breezed right over that one. Now, on to the straw. So it's a little challenging to get out. You do have to take out the entire insert so that you're not, bending or breaking it. But I also discovered that that little insert does come out. So if you want to use this as a box once you've taken your Stanley out, you can just remove that insert. Now, I will make a quick mention that the straw is a little bit of a different hue than the rest of the cup. And it kind of bothers my OCD, but is overall okay. And of course, we do have that little cherry on top, or in this case, the bow on top of our straw, which is the signature Love Shack Fancy bow on their Stanley quenchers. Each of the 40 and 20 ounces came with one of these. It is a silicone topper that kind of just closes off your straw and keeps your mouthpiece safe. That is all for this unboxing. Let us know in the comments below if you have one of these, if you love them, if you hate them, if you're thinking of getting one. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.